Can turning Sahara into a lush Greenland solve the agricultural problem tormenting farmers and consumers alike? Is it possible to turn a desert into a farmland? Let's find out. The Sahara, in the beginning, was not always the barren landscape we see today. Thousands of years ago, 11,000 to be precise, it was a lush green oasis teeming with life. But over time, climate change and human activities turned this fertile land into a desert. Scientists and environmentalists are working tirelessly to reverse this transformation. This vision, though ambitious, is not entirely impossible. The process, often referred to as desert greening, involves a series of steps that are as fascinating as they are complex. The first step in the process is the creation of green belts. These are areas planted with drought-resistant trees such as acacia and eucalyptus. The trees serve multiple roles. They provide shade, reduce soil erosion, and most importantly, they help to restore the soil's fertility by fixing nitrogen. Simultaneously, the process of soil conditioning takes place. This involves the addition of organic matter to the desert soil to improve its fertility and water-holding capacity. Next comes the introduction of sustainable irrigation systems. These systems, such as drip irrigation, utilize water efficiently, minimizing waste and ensuring that each plant gets the amount of water it needs. The final step in the process is crop cultivation. Initially, crops that are resistant to harsh conditions are chosen. Over time, as the soil improves, a larger variety of crops can be introduced. In the quest for desert greening, one of the most inspiring examples is unfolding in the heart of Africa, in Niger. Here, Nigerian farmers, without any state intervention or foreign aid, have been diligently planting trees on their farmland for decades. These trees, much like the acacia and eucalyptus we mentioned earlier, are drought-resistant and play a vital role in preventing further desertification. They hold the soil together, thereby reducing soil erosion, a primary cause of desert expansion. But the trees do more than just hold the soil together. They also provide much-needed shade for crops, improving their chances of survival in the harsh desert climate. This strategic use of trees in crop fields is a traditional farming technique known as agroforestry. The efforts of the Niger people are a testament to the power of human determination and ingenuity. With their hands and their hearts, they are slowly but surely turning the encroaching desert into fertile farmland. Their success gives us hope that with the right approach and commitment, we can indeed green the Sahara. The transformation of the Sahara into a farmland is a long-term project that requires commitment, innovation, and patience. But the potential benefits are enormous. Not only could this project provide food and jobs for millions of people, but it could also help to combat climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The transformation of the Sahara Desert into a farmland is a long journey fraught with challenges. The potential benefits make it a venture worth pursuing. As this is not just about growing crops in the desert, it's about creating a sustainable future, combating climate change, and providing food and livelihoods for millions. It's about turning the impossible into the possible. If people are working to turn desert lands into farms, isn't it wise for city dwellers to plant more trees in their localities to help fuel the greening of the land? Let us know in the comments how you are adding more greens into your life.